So to find the determinant of matrix A is given as minus 15, 12, 1, 12, minus 17, 3, 1, 3, or minus 8. So we are going to see how to calculate this using a calculator, but before that you have to check the values answer by doing this in the normal method. So minus 15 is multiplied with minus 17 into minus 8, minus of minus 9, minus 12 into minus 8, minus 3, plus 1 into 12 into 3 minus of minus 17. You will get answer as minus 664. Okay, so I'm taking a calculator fx991MS. So we reset the values of the calculator. So then you clear all the values using shift mode, then equal to, then plus 3 values, you will get plus 2, you will get matrix values, then you press shift 4. Okay, you will get the dimension as 1, then you have to take a value as 1. Okay, since we are going for matrix A, so the dimension is 3 cross 3, so you press 3 and 3 in the calculator. Okay, so plus 3, again you press 3. So m and n value is given, so you have to give the values starting from minus 15 to row wise you have to give. Okay, so first plus minus 15, then 12, then 1, then 12, then minus 17, then 3, then 1, then 3, then minus 8. Okay, so now we need to find the value of determinant, therefore I have to solve, so you should not press 4. Okay, if I want to find the 4 into determinant of A, we can go for this step. Okay, so go to shift 4 and press the value near the determinant. So this is not required. So first press shift, then 4, you will get press this value button, and then plus 1 as determinant, then shift 4, you will get, you have to find the matrix 3. So okay, so 3, press 3, then you have to find the determinant of matrix A, therefore 1. Okay, determinant of matrix A, you press equal to, you will get answer as minus 664. So this is how we have to do the calculation for the determinant of matrix A.